Why you got to know my name?
Alright, so his name is Xavier, and this is my, how old are you? Put the volume down.
I'm 5.
He is 5 years old.
8 to 7.
Yep.
I'm about to turn 5.
Alright, so there he goes.
Oh gosh. Oh gosh. We're
What you think?
I didn't see my hair.
Oh, it's really scary. All right, here we go.
What you think? You like it?
Okay.
Ready?
Oh, I'm ready.
3, 2,
Maybe.
1,
You like it?
go!
How you like it?
It's nice.
It's nice. My handsome boy. Huh? And this is Daniel. Say hi, Daniel. So, my batteries had died when I was doing Daniel's hair, but this is it for the most part. Put it down. Daniel always got the waves spinning. Come, move up a little bit. So this is how I did his hair. Turn around, sit up. To the side, turn to the side. There we go. And then to the other side. I think I did a pretty good job. What you think, Daniel? I did a good job? Yes, give him a kiss. It's my baby boy.
apples and bananas. I like to eat 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 apples and bananas. I like to 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 apples and bananas. That was so much fun. I love to sing. How about you?
You like him now? 'Cause before you would just kick him out of your bed. You like him?
I told you like this earlier.
Yep.
I took
The
my
messy bun, and so I'll be doing a video on that. So just stay tuned for.
do comment down below.
Thank you very much, Daniel and Xavier. Angel is sleeping. He's the one that had the 3B, 3C hair. That's Daniel.
Comment and comment down below if you like this video.
Thank you.
And leave a like if she did it right.
Thank you guys. And Prince, the oldest one, he's in the back, and Kamori, the baby, he's sleeping. So I am beat. As y'all can see, I am sweating. I need to go wash my hair in the shower and call it a night. Right?
Yeah.
All right. So.
Comment down below. Bye guys. Good night. Have a good night. Have
Ciao,
a good night.
ciao.
I'll see you tomorrow.
Come around.
Stay
so they can see
tuned.
you. Come over here so they can see you. Go around the other way. So yeah, y'all. So
I'm staying right here. Stay tuned for the next video. Yeah, stay tuned. I got my hair. I got my.
you like it? Y'all like y'all haircuts?
Yeah.
Mommy did a terrific job, right?
Yeah. Comment down below if you like
Please
the
shut up.
video, and comment down below if mommy did it right. Really good, right?
Thank you,
Yeah,
y'all.
really good.
All right, ciao, ciao, bye-bye.
Bye. Subscribe. Alright. Tap, tap. Tap, tap.